Michael Behe is a biochemist from Lehigh University in Pennsylvania. He's an advocate for an idea called intelligent design, that someone or something planted the seeds of life on Earth and has had a guiding hand in its evolution ever since.
Intelligent design argues that random processes can't produce what we see in life today, but it has no quarrel with the idea of descent from ancient organisms to modern organisms.
Michael's problem with Darwin's theory is that Darwin insists evolution stems from random mutations. When he looks around in nature, he sees plenty of things that look like they were randomly thrown together, like the debris in these woods.
We had a storm pass through here recently. Nobody would think that any of this was particularly arranged on purpose. You know, it's just a jumble. Here's a stick here, there's a stick there, a stone there.
But Michael believes other things in nature could not have arranged themselves randomly. They appear to be the work of a designer. Just as these sticks didn't randomly arrange themselves into the word life, Michael doesn't believe biological life came together randomly either.
I'm a biochemist, and so I see evidence in nature in places where most people don't think about, but it's in the cell. The cell is a fantastic nanoscale factory with machinery, literally machines made out of molecules.
Michael studies the structure of bacteria. Some bacteria have tails called flagella that allow them to swim.
It is quite literally an outboard motor that bacteria use to swim. And just like an outboard motor in our everyday life, it's got clamps to hold it onto the bacterial membrane. It's got a propeller that spins round and around. Turns out if you remove one or more of these pieces, the flagellum doesn't work at all.
The complicated structure of bacterial tails led Michael to develop a theory he calls irreducible complexity. It claims that living systems need all of their parts in order to work. They can't evolve piece by piece.
So Darwin's theory requires this gradualism, wherein some feature of biology is built up slowly over time. But with an irreducibly complex system, that means a system that has a number of components. You can't build it up gradually over time and have it work.
If the tail of the bacterium was missing just one part, the whole thing wouldn't function. Michael doesn't think organisms could have made such leaps of complexity through evolution alone.